Welcome to the world of Polyplumb. Polyplumb is a new generation of flexible pipes and easy push-fit fittings designed by Polypipe, specifically for hot and cold plumbing and heating systems. Polyplumb pipes and fittings are available in 10, 15, 22 and 28 mm diameters. They are guaranteed for 25 years and provide everything you need from the stopcock to the radiators. The Polyplumb system is quick and easy to use, and you don't need a blow lamp or expensive tools to fit. You simply cut the pipe to length using the space installation marks printed clearly on the side of the pipe. And to do this efficiently, always use a polypipe cutter. Never use a hacksaw. Push in the pipe stiffener to the maximum depth, and then push the pipe into the fitting up to the next installation mark. You'll feel 2 reassuring clicks when the joint is complete. And that's it. A quick tug on the pipe will assure you that the fitting is firmly secured. Polyplumb fittings are extremely adaptable, which allow you to install them in any position you like. They can even be turned through a full 360 degrees, even when fitted and under pressure. Not only does this mean you need less fittings, it also means you can cable the flexible pipe along any route you want, making installation simple and very cost-effective. The Polyplumb system is all about adaptability and combines ease of installation with long-term performance. All Polyplumb fittings are designed to accept both traditional copper and polybutylene pipework, enabling you to incorporate Polyplumb into existing rigid systems. And that's not all. Polyplumb resists bursting if it freezes, has a high resistance to impact, and comes in lightweight coils that fit easily into the boot of a car. So if you want a fast, reliable, cost-effective heating or plumbing system, forget the traditional methods, leave the blowtorch in the toolbox, and buy Polyplumb. And now, introducing the next generation of Polyplumb. Polyplumb underfloor central heating systems. The simplest way to ensure any room, large or small, is heated efficiently, evenly and comfortably without cold corners or cold floors. Underfloor heating means clear walls that are free from radiators. It provides greater comfort because every part of the room reaches the same temperature. It is safer to use because there are no hot surfaces to touch. And it's economical. Underfloor heating is generally energy efficient, so it enhances the performance of your boiler system. Polypipe manufactures complete underfloor central heating systems incorporating barrier pipe, connections, manifolds, manifold boxes and floor panels. There are 2 Polyplumb systems. For domestic and residential plumbing installations, there is a system that uses 15 mm diameter pipes. And for industrial and commercial applications, an 18 mm pipe is available. Either system can be applied to all forms of floor construction, such as the solid floor system, designed to be permanently built into solid concrete or screeded floors. Firstly, floor insulation, which is required by building regulations, is laid below the screed level, and an insulating edging strip is added to allow the floor screed to expand freely. The unique Polyplumb floor panel, which can be easily cut on site, can then be laid. The panels are joined by pressing together the overlapping castellations to form a solid interlocked unit. The barrier pipe is then simply walked into the plate bosses in a spiral configuration, connected to the push-fit flow and return ends of the manifold, and finally pressure tested before being permanently covered by floating wooden or stone tiles, standard carpet or vinyl floor covering. Secondly, there's the suspended floor system. Polyplumb underfloor central heating in suspended floors is achieved by laying the pipe into Polyplumb double or single heat spreader plates fitted between counterbattens above the joists. This form of installation offers advantages in the uniform spread of heat and speed of heating from cold, and does not require the joists to be notched or drilled. Alternatively, the Polyplumb barrier pipe is simply clipped into place at the side of the joist above mineral wool or foam board insulation. The pipe is laid in a simple zigzag formation. And finally, there's the floating floor system design. Polyplumb underfloor central heating is ideal for floating floors above existing timber or a solid subbase. It incorporates the Polyplumb floating floor panel, a 50mm expanded polystyrene sheet with preformed pipe slots at 300mm centers, as well as pipe bending grooves. The application is quick and easy to perform. Lay the panels over the existing floor surface and then lay in the metal emitter plates. Set out the barrier pipe, again in a zigzag configuration, and connect the flow and return ends to the manifold and test as before. All that is needed to complete the job is a floating floor deck of glued tongue and groove chipboard laid directly over the completed heating system, leaving a small expansion gap between floor deck and walls. And now you can add the ultimate luxury to any room with the new overlay floor heating system, a new concept in home heating. Designed for both single rooms and whole house application in new and refurbished projects. The ultra-thin 18mm floor plate is laid in place and glued together with end return plates to form a floating floor surface. The 12mm polybutylene barrier pipe is laid into preformed grooves in a zigzag configuration and returned to the manifold. Or for a single 25 square meter room connected to the new unobtrusive zonal regulation unit, where the water flow from your existing heating system is converted into a temperature which is suitable for underfloor heating. Or alternatively, is connected to a 2 kilowatt heating unit. The floor is then covered directly with wood, laminated or stone tiled floor covering, or with an intermediate plywood layer before finishing with carpet or vinyl. And that's it. A new revolutionary concept in home heating that adds luxury and value to any home. And it's simple and easy to install over any floor and under any floor covering. A comprehensive range of control and monitoring systems further enhance the Polyplumb range. Polypipe offer complete design and installation training and backup service with technical literature provided free of charge. So give us a ring or see us on our website. And remember, it's guaranteed for 25 years. Just when you thought Polypipe had brought you the very best in innovative plumbing and heating products, we go one better by creating the revolutionary all-new Polyfit system. Polyfit, the ultimate range of polybutylene barrier pipe and push-fit fittings for hot and cold water supply, breaks all known technological barriers. Over 140 bright white, fully demountable compact fittings complete this comprehensive range, and all are designed with first-class, user-friendly safety as standard. Polyfit fittings have a higher radial sealing force than other similar products, and a push-fit collet system that allows you to make the perfect joint quickly and efficiently in one single time-saving operation. And when you want to demount or reuse the fitting, you simply pull back the collet system and the pipe is released, with no secondary operation or tools required. The Polyfit Plumb Straight Flexible Barrier Pipe technology makes installing or cabling plumbing through joists, floors or walls much easier than the old PEX or copper pipe systems. And with the patented Polyfit 3-pin safety protection feature, it ensures that fittings cannot be accidentally demounted. And the clever thing is, they can be adjusted for final alignment through a full 360 degrees, even under pressure, without affecting joint integrity. The Polyfit system is guaranteed for a whole 25 years. And further information about this amazing product can be obtained by telephoning the Polyfit hotline on 01709 770000 or visiting our website on www.polyfit.co.uk. With Polyfit, you can fit and forget.